Hello everyone, welcome to Math 1332 video lesson. Here we went to Chapter 2, Section 3, Homework. Number 1. Let U, the universal set, contain the letters Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. The set A contains Q, S, U, V, U, W, Y. B contains Q, S, Y, Z. And C contain V, W, X, Y, Z. List the elements of the set. First off, we look at A union B. Remember, what this is asking is find the elements of the union of sets A and B, find the complement. So the complement is anything that's not in the union of A and B. So we have to first find, if we combine A and B, what do we get? We get the set Q, S, U, W, Y, and Z. Now we want the complement of it. So it's everything in the universe that's not these. So the universe Q, R, S, T, V. So we're missing an R. T, V, and X. So the complement of the union of A and B, that's what's left, is RTVX, which is A. Question number 2. Let the universe be all the letters from Q to Z. A is Q, S, U, W, Y. B is Q, S. Now, list all the elements that satisfy this. The complement of A unioned with the elements of B. So first off, which ones are the complement of A? So we look at the universe and get rid of Q, S, U, W, Y. R, Q, S, T, U, V, X, and Z. That's the complement of A, because A is Q, S, U, W, Y. If we remove these from the universe, that's what that means. Remove these from the universe, that's what we have left. And if we union it with the set of B, Q, S, Y, Z, we get the set Q, R, S, T, V, X, Y, Z. So Q, R, S, T, V, X, Y, Z. So again, the complement simply means since A has these, the complement of A is whatever's in the universe, take away these. So we get rid of the Q, get rid of the S, get rid of the U, the W, and the Y. Whatever's left is the complement. That's how that works. Okay, we have the universe, same letters, A, B, same letters. List the elements in the set B union C. So But the union means take everything in B and everything in C. So start with Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, C. QRS, QSB, W, X, Y, Z. So it's B. Now let's do number 4. It's the same universe, A and B. List the elements in the set C intersection with the empty set. So what do the elements of C and the empty set have in common? The only thing they could have in common would be an empty set. Number 5. Same sets, universe, A and B. List the elements. What this symbol means is only list what they have in common. So A is the set Q, S, U, W, Y. Intersect B complement. So whatever's in B, that's B. Remove that from the universe. Q, S, Y, and Z. Whatever's left is the complement, B prime, which is R, T, V, W, X. R, T, U, V, W, and X. Now, this says intersection. Think of a road. An intersection of a road. Why is this called an intersection? Because on this road, you have all that concrete. On this road, you have this concrete. This is called the intersection, because that's what they both share. So, what do they both have in common? Not the R. This one doesn't have a Q. S. They both have a U. They both have a W. And that's it. So number 5 is B. Same sets for union, the universe A, B, and C. Find this one. A intersection B, the complement of it. Again, this is where the order of operations started, hundreds of years ago, before we actually started mathematics. We have to do inside the parentheses first. So what do A and B have in common? What do sets A and B have in common? They have a Q. They have an S. And that's it. Now the complement of it. So we go to the universe and take away everything. Take away Q and S. So Q and S. We're left with R, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So R, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, so it's D. I hope these are okay. Number 7. The universe A and B. What is this one asking? A intersect B. Now, another way you could read that is A intersect B. A and B, what do they have in common? They both have a Q. They both have an S. And that's it. Oh. Nope, they both have a Y. QSY. That's C. Same sets. List the elements of the set A prime, or the converse of A, the complement of A. So, in other words, what's in the universe that's not in A? So we get rid of the Q, get the S, the U, W, and Y. So we get R, T, V, X, Z. R, T, V, X, Z is A. Right, now we're going to look at Venn diagrams. Use the Venn diagram and determine the set or cardinality of A. So, where's set A? What is, just forget B. So A is 11, 13, 14, and 17. That's D. So we're just looking at just A. How many elements are in there? There's 4 elements. That's the cardinality. Use the Venn diagram. The cardinality, the set or cardinality of B, which is what? B. So get rid of A. 12, 13, 15, 16, 17. So that one is B. Number 11. The universe. So this one's asking for everything in the universe. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. The universe is everything inside that box. Okay, number 12. Determine the set or cardinality A intersection of B. Here's A, here's B. Where they intersect is only this part. So the at and the ampersand, which is C. That's what they have in common. That's where they overlap. Use the Venn diagram to determine the cardinality of the N stands for the cardinality of this universe. So how many elements are in the universe? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are in set B? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7 minus 4 equals 3. So the cardinality of the universe. Cardinality, what are the elements? These 7. The cardinality of B. Now we'll just do the math. Use the formula for the cardinal number of the union of sets of 2 sets to solve the problem. The formula for the cardinal number. The cardinal number of A union B. So what that's looking for is, what is the total number of elements inside that union? So it's the cardinality of A plus the cardinality of set B minus the cardinality of where they intersect. Let's see what this means using this list, this example. So, the cardinality of A, everything in set A is 1, 2, 3. The cardinality in set B, here's the circle B, there's 4. But if you notice, we counted these two, once in A and once in B, so we counted it twice. So what we have to do is get rid of any overlap. Because we counted these twice, let's get rid of one of them. So 3 plus 4 is 7, minus 2, there should be 5 elements in A and B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so that's how this works. A contains 5 elements. Set A contains 5 elements. Set B contains 11 elements. And 3 elements are in common with A and B. How many elements are in, so the cardinality of A union B? So the cardinality of A union B is this formula. So we had 5 here, we have 11 here, and we have 3 overload. 16 minus 3 is 13, which is A. The formula for cardinality of the unions. Use the formula for cardinal numbers of the union of two sets. So the formula for the cardinality of the union of two sets is the cardinality of set A plus the cardinality of set B minus the cardinality of any intersection. Set A contains 12 letters and 7 numbers. Set B contains 11 letters and 6 numbers. 4 letters and 3 numbers are in common with both A and B. Find the number of elements in both set A and B. So we do it 2 ways. We have to first do the cardinality of the A union B of the letters and the cardinality of A union B of the numbers, and then we'll add the 2 numbers together. So the cardinality of letters. There are 12 letters here in A. There are 11 letters in B, and there are 4 letters that overlap. That's 23 minus 4 is 19. Now the numbers. We have 7 numbers in A, 6 numbers in B, and 3 numbers in common. 7 plus 6 is 13, minus 3 is 10. So add those together, since looking for the set of numbers, that's 29. 16C, 29. Number 16. Use the Venn diagram to determine the list of elements in the set in roster form. Remember, roster form is you have the brackets and everything is listed with separated by commas. What we're looking for is A union B. So everything in A and everything in B. So we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It's D. That's all that's looking for is one of each of these letters or numbers in both of those sets. Number 17. Use the Venn diagram to determine A intersection B in roster method. So where do A and B intersect? At 13 and 17, which is A. We're looking for B, the B prime, which is the complement of B. So set B, first off, the universe, let's look at that. The universe is made up of 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19. Set B is made up of 12, 13, 15, 16, 17. So B prime is the same thing as we take this and subtract that. That's what B prime is. So anything in this one I remove from the set, from the universe. And what do I have left? 11, 14, 18, 19, which is set D. Answer D. Okay, we have our universe sets A and B. List the elements in roster method of the intersection of A and B and the complement of that. So the intersection of A and B is just 13 and 17. Now, because this says remove 13 and 17 from the universe, just get rid of those, what do we have left? We have 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19. Right, so again, it's just remove those from the set. That's the complement. Use the Venn diagram to create elements of the set in roster form. Set of students who studied Saturday. The students who studied Saturday are Karen, Carly, Sam, and Sophia. The students who studied Sunday are Sam, Sophia, Kenneth, Miguel, Kavita. Sam and Sophia studied both Saturday and Sunday. VJ didn't do any studying. So we're looking for the set of all the set of students who studied Saturday. Now the question is, do we include Sam and Sophia? Yeah. If we're only looking at that circle that studied Saturday. So that's Karen, Carly, Sam, Sophia. Answer is C. Alright. Good luck. I hope y'all have no problem with these.